Hamza was excited but also a little nervous about starting at a new school. Everything about it felt unfamiliar. The hallways were buzzing with energy. The classrooms seemed enormous, and everywhere he looked, there were groups of kids laughing and talking. At lunchtime, Hamza sat by himself in the corner of the cafeteria, observing the room. Just as he was starting to feel lonely, he noticed another boy sitting alone at a table by the window. The boy had his head down, picking at his food, and looked as uneasy as Hamza felt. Taking a deep breath, Hamza decided to gather his courage. He picked up his lunch tray and walked over. "Hi, I'm Hamza," he said with a small smile. The boy looked up, surprised but relieved. "I am Alex," he replied. As they started talking, Hamza learned that Alex was new to the school too. They quickly discovered they had a lot in common. Both loved games and even liked the same funny YouTube channels. Before they knew it, the lunch period had flown by, and the two boys were laughing like old friends. They made plans and promised to sit together at lunch the next day. At the end of the day, Hamza felt a lot more confident.